Okay, so we are just starting to get up to temperature there now. The shop temperature is at 3 degrees Celsius right now, and our burn chamber is at 218 degrees. So what I have here is my little bit of propane. We are going to inject a little bit of propane into the system and see what turns out. We want to try and get maximum heat out of this little heater so that we can heat our shop up a little bit better. So with diesel alone, I'm normally running at around 215 degrees to maybe 220. Right now, we are climbing at least just about 20 degrees Celsius over what this burn chamber normally runs at when it's on its highest setting. Now I have my propane torch just turned on very slightly, so hopefully this number will level out. And what I'm going to do is start to back off the propane a little bit and get my temperature to level out at where I want. About 243, 45 degrees is gonna be pretty comfortable. It's not gonna be into its high limit shutdown, and that's going to give you that extra boost to heat things up quickly. So there you have it, folks. My little heater, diesel heater, running off a jerry can and with propane injection, giving off a nice heat. Oh, I see it's starting to possibly slowly come down. I could turn the propane on a little bit more, but a guy could also do this to get the burn chamber hot and burn off any sort of waste material or unburnt material that is in his burn chamber, to try and keep it possibly as clean as possible. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video.